Yes, so we're supposed to reach there. What is a plumb line? Have you seen a plumb line? It's that's how you see whether a wall is crooked, right? So in this vision, Amos saw a crooked wall. God was standing next to the wall, yes? Near the wall, holding a what? Near the crooked wall, holding a plumb line. And because when the wall is crooked, it's supposed to be done what? Destroyed. So here, what Jesus was saying is that he was setting the plumb line to the people of Israel who were crooked, just like the wall. And he was going to destroy them. And in this vision, Amos did not intercede for them. He did not plead to God. So this vision was going to come to pass. It was not reversed. So it was going to come. It was not reverted. It was going to come to pass. So they will be destroyed just like the crooked wall. From there we go to the vision of the summer fruits. Did what? Forgave them. Then we go to the third vision, the vision of the plumb line, verse 7 to 9. He showed me.
Behold, the Lord was standing beside a wall built with a plumb line, with a plumb line in his hand.
And the Lord said to me, Amos, Amos, what do you see? And I said, a plumb line. Then the Lord said, behold, I am setting a plumb line in the midst of my people Israel. I will never again pass by them.
Sanctuaries. Okay.